Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain the concept of operator precedence and associativity in C programming language. I already explained the concept of operators in my previous video. We just go through that. In my description box I will provided the link of operators concept in C programming language. Just go through that. Before I am given an explanation of this operator precedence and associativity, why it is required for any programming language. See, we all know the computer is a machine. So whenever you are given an expression, so it will give you an answer in a fraction of milliseconds. So in the world, wherever you can give the expression, everywhere you can get the same result. So sometimes if you are taken an expression, you are trying to solve that. So if you are not following the rules, so you are getting a different outputs for a different people. So in order to avoid that, the operator precedence and associativity will play the main role for evaluating an expressions, which will gives you the same result for the same expression anywhere in the world. So we all know we have a rule like BODMAS in mathematics for performing or evaluating your arithmetic expressions. So this meaning of that is brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So what this rule will say is, if your expression is having the combination of all these things, so which operator is going to be evaluated first? If you have a brackets, then you can evaluate first. So among of all your arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, so you can perform multiplication first and then division first and then multiplication and then addition and subtraction. So it will gives you the priority. So everyone will follow the same rule, then everyone will getting the same output. So for that purpose, for any programming language, the operator precedence and associativity will plays a main role for evaluating the expressions. So now we'll see what is an operator precedence. So precedence is nothing but importance or priority. So now we have a different types of operators available in C programming, like we have arithmetic, relational, increment, decrement, special operators, assignment operators, logical operators, like we have relational operators, increment, decrement operators, like we have a different operators are available. So now your expression is nothing but it's a combination of operators along with the operands. So whenever you have an expression, so now there is a question of that among of all the operators, which operator is taken the first priority to evaluate, and then what direction you are going to evaluate your expression. So these two questions will comes in your mind before you are going to evaluate any expressions. So now the answer is operator precedence and associativity. So operator precedence will gives you among of all the operators, which operator is having the highest priority in your expression, and the associativity will gives you in what direction you are going to evaluate. Either you are going to evaluate your expression from left to right or from right to left. So by default everyone is trying to evaluate expression from left to right defaultly. So we are going to evaluate. So in sometimes depends on the priority of operators existed in your expressions, you may evaluate your expression from right to left, means in this direction. So now this associativity concept will gives you in what direction you are going to evaluate your expression. So see, these are different types of operators available. So these are special operators like parenthesis, which is a function call, and then brackets, which is used as an array subscripts, dot, which is a member selection operator, arrow operator, so which is of your postfix increment and postfix decrement operator. So these operators can be evaluated left to right always, right? So now you can evaluate in left to right direction. So these operators. And among of this list of operators, these operators is having the highest priority. Right? Suppose if your expression is having the combination of any of these operators, so then among of the remaining operators, and these operators is having the highest priority. Right? So that is the meaning of this. And then these operators are the unary plus and minus operator, and not operator, complement operator, typecasting operator, pointer operator, address operator, size of operator. So these operators having the next highest priority than the list of other operators. So now these are arithmetic operators. See, again we have 5 different arithmetic operators. Among of that, multiplication, division, modulus is having the same level of priority. So it depends on the order they are getting, depends on that. We have to evaluate in this order. So multiplication can done before division, and like that you can evaluate. Means in what order they will come, you are going to evaluate in that order. And plus and minus is having the same priority. So which order it will get, you can do that thing first. And this is a bitwise operator like shift left and shift right. So these operators is having the next priority of these operators. So now we have a relational operators, and this one is also a relational operators, bitwise AND, bitwise exclusive or, logical operators, conditional operators, and these are assignment operators. So now we are finding of that among of all the operators, assignment operator is having the lowest priority, and comma is having the minimum lowest priority for all the available operators. So now this column will gives you whenever this particular operator will comes, in which direction you are going to evaluate. Suppose if I am given like A plus B, so I cannot do like B plus A, I can do A plus B. So in this direction I am going to evaluate the expression. So this is an operator precedence and associativity. Now I'll explain this operator precedence and associativity with this example. Right? So here is an example. So this is an example of an expression. So now we are going to evaluate this expression by using this operator precedence and associativity. So you can give this expression anywhere in this world, everyone is getting the same answer. So that is actually the meaning of the use of precedence and associativity of operators. So now this expression will gives you like 12 plus 3 minus 4 divided by 2. It is less than 3 plus 1. So this is a relational operators, and all the remaining operators are the arithmetic operators. So among of all arithmetic operators, so these operators is having the same priority. So then all of arithmetic operators, the first what we are going to do, so we are trying to evaluate the expression from left to right direction, right? See here, because you have plus here and here also you have plus, so both are having the same priority. So now you are going to evaluate by default left to right. So now 12 plus 3. So now you are getting 12 plus 3. And then you have subtraction here, and then you have division here. See, plus and minus is having the same level priority. Multiplication, division and modulus is having the previous higher priority to this category of operators. So before you are going to do a subtraction, so we are performing the division operation first. So now what it will give you, like 4 divided by 2. So it will gives you the answer as 2, because 4 divided by 2 is your answer. So now this is your subtraction. So before subtraction you can do your addition. So 12 plus 3 is 15, and then you are going to subtract this one. So now you are getting value as 13 actually. So this is 13. So now after that you have a relational operator, that is the comparison operator. Now you are going to compare the result of this with the result of this. So now you are getting the relational operators is having the lowest priority than your arithmetic operators. See here. So here you have the arithmetic operators, and here you have your relational operators. So because of that, first of all you have to evaluate this one first. Means you can add 3 to 1. See, this is you are going to evaluate from right to left. So 1 is added to 3. Now you're getting your answer as 4. So now the answer of this entire expression is 13. So now it is compared with 4. So 13 is less than 4. So remind all of you, whenever you are using the relational operators or the logical operators or the bitwise operators, always they will return a Boolean value. So what the Boolean value? It returns either true or false. So in binary, the true can be represented with 1 and false can be represented with 0. So this will says that 13 is less than 4. Now this is false, right? So what is your answer? It will return 0. It will return 0. So this is an operator precedence and associativity of any programming language. I hope you all can understand. Please like and share my video, and really if you are feeling these lectures are useful for you, you just subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.